when you start talking, I'll start timing. Judges ready? Cool. All right.
Hi, my name is Yanine, and this is Cody and Liza. We are part of team AssistMe. So it's April 2017, and our neighbors are still being threatened. Under the new administration, many immigrants, both undocumented and documented, who were not previously in danger of being deported, are now being targeted and threatened by inhumane and often illegal ICE procedures. They are scared to leave their homes, and they often feel helpless. Our solution that we worked on over this weekend is to create a responsive web application that allows these immigrants to find instant legal aid to empower them to feel more safe.
So here's our homepage here, and what we have is we split up the users into two kind of categories. People who are offering help, and we sort of just focused on lawyers for now. And so if you click here, you get a form that you can post all your information about your company, who you work for, some information about yourself. Or if you were clicking here and you were looking for help, you would click on what kind of law help you need and fill out just a quick short form to get you on track and hook you up with a person who is knowledgeable about the field that you are needing help in.
1 minute.
And the next part of our app basically allows the client, the immigrant who's looking for help, to connect with a lawyer. And we have started creating a real-time chat app, and basically it will send this message to the lawyer, and they can receive in real time. Obviously, it's not fully functional, and if we had more time, we would definitely try to make this more functional. And also, we would love to make it mobile friendly and available in other languages. And it's not deployed on production yet, and we'd love to do that. I'm going to hand over to Liza.
Yeah, so that's time, but you can finish what you were going to say. Yeah.
So we would have an application process to make sure the lawyers are actually able to practice law, and they would be able to connect with people in their area that are seeking request forms. And once they submit that request, the clients who are needing help will get a list of active lawyers in their area within their zip code based on the information they've entered. And we would be able to test and deploy this as soon as possible because I work with ACLU People Power, and within that community I know that there's a large group of people that are really needing this and needing this now.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah, so talking about, and maybe this isn't done, but your vision for it in terms of trust engineering. So folks who encounter this may not know whether or where that data is going when they put it in, and they're rightfully very cautious. So what are you thinking about to sort of provide them some certainty that that's not going directly to ICE?
Sure. So I'm not on the tech end, but we were thinking of having some sort of encryption database to make sure that the messages are protected. On the form, we're not asking for last name, we're just asking for email and first name to make sure if they get disconnected. Later on, we'll have a process for people who are seeking help that are not immediate, like long-term, or long-term just questions that aren't within the next half hour, to make a profile. And that profile will have a public and a private setting. Public will be, their location, a little bit about them, and the private setting, only the lawyer that connects to that person and accepts the connection request will be able to view. So that would have, a little bit more private information like visa status or employment, stuff like that.
I'm also really curious about about the trust and safety element. So for example, a lot of this would be happening with written text, and depending on what the situation is of the person that could potentially incriminate them and could be used against them. Like if they were being honest, let's say they've overstayed their visa or they've maybe committed some kind of crime and they really do need that legal help, but would you be open to potentially creating almost like a telephone phone number that could be erased immediately, that way that the lawyer can actually talk to the person instead of it being all in written? Because what I could see is eventually maybe it being subpoenaed or something by ICE or another law enforcement.
Yeah, so we weren't able to set this up right now, but even with the urgent option, there's a live chat and a live call button. So the live call will be hopefully able to create a non-traceable line that the lawyer could use to connect with the person. And then obviously the lawyers will be accredited to make sure that they are able to practice law and go through the attorney-client privilege practices to make sure that everyone's on the same board.
these are really effective communities, and they're pretty diverse and all over. And sometimes they may even have access to the issues of having an issue of access to digital means. Have you thought about that instead of in addition to going direct, you would also connect through local organizations? So I imagine there are local groups, advocacy groups who are really working at the grassroots level in some of these communities, and sort of offering them a connection with additional legal resources, and they would also help vet some of these lawyers.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I know that ACLU People Power would be a great opportunity to test this on. So that's a grassroots organization under the ACLU. But we could also take this idea and bring it to law firms to, help spread the Know Your Rights campaign, stuff like that. We have a little About Us section up there that we could have a, know your legal rights, know your district area information base, and we'll see where it goes as it expands.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Great job.